Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to reset notification settings in WhatsApp for iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to find your WhatsApp on your iPhone and then tap on it to open it. So let me find mine. So here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on this settings, this gear icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on this. And you can see I have this settings screen opened, and after that you have to tap on this notifications, and I have this notifications screen opened, and on this screen guys you have to come to this option at the bottom, reset notification settings, and then you have to tap on this. I'm tapping on it, and you can see guys I have this little screen opened, and here I have this message. Let's read that. Reset all notification settings including custom notification settings for your chats. So just read this message, and if you agree, you have to tap on this reset this button over here. So I agree this, so let me tap on this reset this button, and you can see it's now done. After that you can go back. So let me go back. Let me tap on this chats. So that's it. In this way you can easily reset notification settings in WhatsApp for iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.